welcome back to my channel. So let's solve today's lead code question. Okay, so today's lead code question is easy level and minimum absolute difference. In this, we have given an array of distinct integer, means all integers are different value in this array, and find all the pairs of elements with the minimum absolute difference of any two elements. As this is like a less than of b and b minus a equals to the minimum absolute difference of any two elements in an array. Means if it is any pair of elements difference is negative and one is positive, still they both see as the same value. Minus 6 and 6 as we are taking absolute difference. So let's see how we would solve it. So like we have an array like um, which are this array 3 8 minus 10. We have this array like we have an array of 4 1 2 3 and 6. Okay, we have to find the vector of pairs which will give us the same absolute difference pairs. So first we will solve it. Like what would be the minimum difference of a pair in this? If we solve it, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Minimum difference. This is minimum to 1. This is minimum. This is minimum. But this is not. This is 2. So what would be our answer? Our answer would be 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, and 4, 3 comma 4. This would be will be our answer. But how we will get our answer from this array? First we will sort it. We'll sort it as array dot begin comma array dot end. Then we will find what is the smallest difference between the pair and how we would find it. We can find it by either two ways. First, find max value and minimum value. Then store it in minimum difference is equals to absolute of max comma min value. This way, and second by the loop as we will go through like difference is equals to absolute of array of I plus 1 minus array of I, and then we will store it in mini as min of difference comma mini. Then we will get the minimum value. Either we get by this and by this. And how we'll find the mini and max value? Now max value is equals to star of max element and in the array. In the same way, min value is equals to min element of the array. We can find it by this. And we can also find it by the array. Then first we'll get the minimum value, minimum difference, absolute difference of the pair. Then we will again go through the loop. And tie equals to 0, I less than of 4 and minus of 1, n is the size of the array, then if the difference of absolute of array of I plus 1 minus array of I, if difference equals to minimum difference of the absolute difference of the pair, then we will store it. Then we will store in our answer dot pushback of array of I plus 1 comma array of I. That's all. Then we will return our answer. That's it. What would be its time complexity? So its time complexity is O of n log n. Its time complexity is O of log n. Time complexity is O of n log n. And space complexity is O of n into 2. Two elements of the pair and n. This is the vector of int of answer. And this its size is 2. This can be anything, so that's where O of n. That's all. Let's see the code now. So see, first we initialize our array, we define our answer vector, sort our array, define our mini value as int max, and difference is equals to 0. Then we first go through the loop, find the minimum value of the difference between the pair. Then we again go through the loop, like if the difference is mini, then we push the answer in the vector. Then answer vector. And return answer. That's all. Let's submit it and see if it runs up. If it runs, I have already done it. See, it runs. So that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.